Today I'm going to show you all how to make pepper pork. Trinidadian pepper pork is a spicy, flavorful dish that reflects the island's diverse cultural influences. It has been a staple in the local cuisine for generations, often prepared during festive occasions and family gatherings. Trini pepper pork is more than just a spicy dish. It's a celebration of the island's cultural diversity, culinary innovation, and communal values. Alright, so the first step for our pepper pork is we're just going to make or assemble a marinade. So here we're just going in with some soy sauce, Xaoxing wine or rice wine vinegar if you don't have Xaoxing, some oyster sauce, and some cornstarch. This is going to thicken our mixture and also give the pork some added body. I'm going to give this a mixture just to help to fully incorporate the cornstarch. Remove all the clumps. We're using pork tenderloin that I cut into strips. You could use shoulder, a better cheaper cuts of meat you could use, but really and truly the tenderloin is the best cut. So once you can afford it, or if you want to just treat yourself, just adding that directly into our pork. You want to massage this into the meat. Once fully incorporated, you want to cover, put it in your refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Allow the marinade to do its thing. And then from there, we're going straight to our wok. Alright, so we're just going to pop them in the fridge for 30 minutes and then come back. Alright, so here I'm using a non-stick wok over high heat. Once you heat high, going in with some sesame oil. If you prefer, you could also use peanut oil. It's hot, going in with some minced garlic and ginger. This really helps going to give or add a very nice aroma to your pepper pork. And as the garlic starts to turn brown, as your cue to continue to add more ingredients. Alright, so to this I'm going to end with some fermented pepper sauce. This is our very own recipe, so we will be sure to include the link in the description of this video. Alternatively, you could use chili paste, you could use raw pepper cut into thin strips. It's really up to you, but this fermented pepper sauce is going to add some additional flavor to our pepper pork. We're going straight in, get that mixed in. Salt and black pepper. Then we're going in with some bell peppers and onion. Be sure to break up your onions. And we want to let this continue to stir fry until the onions are translucent in color. But we're doing this over high heat. Alright, so we see some of our onions even starting to develop some color. That's our cue to add in our pork. Again, we're still on high heat here. And then with these tenderloins, it's going to cook even faster. And break it up, get that mixed in. So you can let it sit for 10-15 seconds and then give it a stir. Let's give it a stir. Give it again, give it 10-15 seconds. And give it another stir. The pork starting to develop some color. You see here, that's what you want. So that's also why I'm not constantly turning it. Just give it a stir and leave it for 10-15 seconds over high heat. And this should cook within about 5 to 7 minutes. Alright. So as I said, just let it continue to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Look at that beautiful color the pork has developed. The yellow and red also brings it to life. From here, just taste. You can adjust your salt, you can adjust your heat levels accordingly. But that's pretty much it. Quick, delicious, easy pepper pork.